this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. Now, I am using the Fawn Reveal Wheel. Now, this, along with the Magic Iris, I made some cards with that, which I'll be sharing with you guys, is my favorite thing. I've had it like forever, and I think I made one card maybe with the Reveal Wheel when I first got it. But I decided, because I'm not making that many cards this year, and I am probably, just heads up, going to do another Christmas card send out. So there'll be an opportunity if you guys would like a Christmas card sent to you. I'm going to do that again this year. So, so I have those I can give away because I'm not really making that many cards. But I decided because of that I would use some of the product that requires a little bit more thinking, a little bit more planning, a little bit more cutting, just a little bit more. And so this was one of those ones, but it's pretty easy. Once you've made a few, it goes by quicker, I guess, once you kind of figure out where everything goes. Because I screwed up the first one that I did, so it doesn't spin really well, but I've gotten better now that I've made a bunch of them. I've watched a couple of videos. There's lots of really good videos on how to use this wheel. It's amazing. I love it. And there's all different kinds of pieces that go with it. And I actually spent some time Black Friday shopping for some different ones that I want to try. But some other things that I used is I used the Winter Village. I used this one right here, which is, I forget what it's called. And one of the things I didn't realize was that I actually did have the dies that went with the little people because it was hidden. So I need that so I remember. This one is Christmas Critters. And so this one's really, really cute. And I'm going to do some more stuff with Christmas Critters because I think it's good for winter stuff too. I believe I use this Reveal Holiday. I think I use that. There's all these different little pieces that can go. And I've got them all over the place too, which is a problem. I used this one, which all the other pieces to it are all over the place, all the dies. I need to put it all back together. This one is called Nutty or Nice, and this was Lawn Fawn's Simon Says Stamptember exclusive last year. And I don't even know if I used it last year. Maybe I did, but I love it. So, and it kind of goes really well with the Mama Elephant ones that they have. And then I used a plaid paper from Lawn Fawn. I used the Santa's Workshop paper, and I think I used a Carta Bella, A Very Merry Christmas as well. So just kind of, those are the two paper pads I've been kind of working with. Oh, and I also use this Yeti stamp set, which is on my desk somewhere I used. And then I just did some shopping, Black Friday shopping, and I bought the Winter Villages die. It just cuts so much nicer when you want to place it on a card. This one was kind of a fail a little bit just because I did some spraying, but I think I just didn't do very different colors. The colors I used were too complementary, so they all kind of blended together because this was supposed to be like different colored snowflakes. Doesn't really kind of do that. And this is the one I think that I struggled to turn. So I'm going to have to take that back and fix it because I didn't put it on correctly. So I figured out my mistakes. I'm probably going to fix that. And maybe I'll even redo this one so that the snowflakes are different colors. But this was the first one that I did. And then I figured out my mistake because you can see it doesn't really turn because I put it on backwards, basically. So just one of the things, but once I get that fixed, it's going to be really cute. So I think I'm going to probably tear this apart, redo this style so that it's got different colors on it, and then put it back together again so that it spins. And the idea is that the snowflake shows up in different colors as you turn it. So that's the idea. So I'm going to fix that one. This one, Have a Merry Christmas. And then when you turn the dial, it says Have a Jolly Christmas, Have a Cheery Christmas, have a bright Christmas, have a Merry Christmas, and then it's just the little guys there at the bottom. So that one was really an easy one. And then this was the latest one that I did. And so I really like how this one came out. And it says, hope your holidays are nothing but fun. And then when you turn this, it's just, this one says Merry Christmas. And then we've got an ornament, a little nut present, and a stocking. And so just, I think that's very, very cute. And then that's what that one looks like. So it turned out to be really, really cute. So this is a really fun die. Like any of these dies that turn and do things, there's a little bit of a learning curve, and you're going to, maybe you won't, but if you're like me, you're going to screw up the first time or maybe even the second time until you kind of get it. But once you do, it is amazing, and you end up like, you know, getting this going, and how fun is that? So really fun interactive cards. You know, makes me want to pull out all the ones that I have. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.